Good morning, sir. My name is September Baswan, and my team members are Jayesh Lahari, Gopaldo, and Sai Gupta. So today we are going to talk about the topic that is hybrid adaptive deep stock prediction system. And let's jump to introduction. Stock market are highly dynamically influenced by multiple factors such as historical data trends and investor sentiments. This what this project is about investors' ideas and their sentiment as well. In this, as the conventional factors such as market stock price only. Our project what does that covers the sentiment and risk as well. The traditional model often fails to capture the non-linear relationship. Our model does the very deep analysis from this and then combines the deep learning LSTM model with sentiment analysis to predict the stocks. Our model used LSTM model, which is long short term memory, is a is a is the subset of the deep learning with it is with sentiment analysis as well to predict the stock price more accurate and adapts over time using their feedback. Uh, this uh, this does the this does the feedback system also. Let's come to problem statement. Existing sound prediction system rely heavily on numerical price data. So what what is mean? All the data which is provided is at this are heavily reliable on numerical data. They ignore the real-time sentiment from the news and social medias. This project overcomes with that problems and model lack of adaptability leading reduce the accuracy due to volatile market conditions. Due to lack adaptivity, the model occurs very failure in this market. So we have overcome that problem as well. The problem is basically the main problem is there is a model, a hybrid model that integrates historical trace sentiments, data and adaptive learning. This this is the system where we overcome all these problems as well. So next slide will be from Gopal. So basically, objective means is the important part about this project. They can build this project is very easily and implement it very easy. So first objective, develop an intelligent model for strong prediction. And it means this develop an intelligent model for stock prediction. It elicitates helps for prediction for the prices in real time data. So next is LSTM and sentiment based strategy. So basically LSTM is long short term memory. So this model are the user for the this model are the user for the equally to KNN and uh, build this project is very easy. So next is implement and adaptive feedback for loop continuous improvement. They get into the loops in very easy and proper. So next is implement performance using RMS and PMS independent. So this is a tracing metric. First is RMS. RMS in good means square error, and second is mean mean error, accident error. So they design a user friendly interface for the real time prediction. They can design the user friendly interface for the real time prediction the prices in stock market prediction project. So then, next is the data set. Data set is data set is source is historical stock data. They can take these data set in parallel website. Next is attributes. Attributes means there are five types of attributes. First is day, second is open, next is high, low, close, one. There are five types of attributes they are using this topic prediction project. Next is time rate. So basically time rate for this historical data is 2010 and 2025. Next is pre-processing. Pre-processing is this part is basically used to remove the missing values. normalization, using mass calculation, and sliding window, they can easily remove the error default values from the data. only एक target variable user sort visibility in जो close mind prediction. Close mind prediction, they can easily identify the close mind prediction for this term artificial. So next part is model usage. There are the one models are used for this project is LSTM. LSTM is long short-term memory. They can neural network. That's for this reason. So why users for LSTM model? LSTM model is used for different to use capturing long-term dependency. I mean time series data. So next is hybrid components. Hybrid components means sentiment data simulated or here added an additional feature. And the last part is adaptive learning. Adaptive learning returns automatically as a new data. We can have there are full types of model used in this one. So next part present you September. So again, we will come to system architecture. System architecture. First of all, what we do data collection. Data collection of queries. That is the stock prices and the sentiment analysis of the customers. Then data processing part come over here. In that we do normalization of data. That handles the complex data very easily. It helps data to understand the investors according to their mood and data processing part in LSTM based modern training. So in data pre-processing part, model is basically train, train again fusion layer. Fusion layer contributes the parts that have prices, which is quantitative data, and sentiments, which is quantitative data. These data are divided in two parts. An adaptive retaining loop. Adaptive retaining loops, we can say that model, if model makes any error or if occurs any bumps or it will handle that and it will understand from that part which is going to harm the project and again produce an output from before that the data are split into two parts. One is play and another one is station set. Again, we split the data from these two and after the training data set model are used to train the models and it applies to perform the model execution and it build the model as well. And after that, testing data sets are used for to test the models accordingly. And that testing, after the testing of the data, the evolution of the model is done. So, after the evolution of the model is done, the model visualization that dashboard is get here. So next slide we will by get started. Because the hybrid seeking surveyed accuracy, this system learn bank data set in proper way and was unusual value. Then they predict the real and from market prediction. Low RAC and YME, root mean square, root mean square error, it provides the difference between the model predicted value and difference to different to the actual predicted value. Mean and error, if provide the relation between how close predicted value is. Yes, predicted value is matched to the actual result. The predicted trend closely follows the actual content. The predicted trend predicted you by predicted predicted by the model is how is follow the actual market movements. The visual components show the hybrid model are moving stand of LSTM. In this model, the LSTM runs the of data and provide the data output. Adolescently, it means numerical data and physical data. That includes an model like this. Automatically, this model automatically identify new data from the top number like top, group, top, right, those, etc. If confidence of your content of this CBG, if there is a member with a term model cooperative trend graduation, one new data and data, so it is the member network, suitable for real time financial this one the real time for the let's say so this is the challenges and definition of microchip. So we are going to simulate data currently simulated not really. Then high consumption of fast for continuous retraining. Then the model is struggle using such a model was means the model is struggle to get the building the price and requires large data for given units. So requires large data for the prediction data. Then due to scope of this project, integrate lightning and social media implements then extend this to multiple shops or entire portfolios. Create real-time mobile and web dashboards. Use extendable AI for transparency in predictions. Deploy as a graphical data tool for businesses. Then the conclusion of the project is the Adam successful complies LSTM central analysis and help to study to improve stock price prediction and reason. It involves combination with new data and cancer and as a foundation for a power plant. So why you guys selected this particular project? Normally I have seen that all of the users and which are the investors from the stock market have seen that the accuracy of this project mainly depends upon the quality of the data as well as the sentiment. Usually the conventional price prediction does not have any type of sentiment analysis, which results failure sometimes. That's why. And I've seen my one of my friend that he lose money in that. Uh, Actually, he was just started this from scratch and he learned some new predictions and he lost his money in this and their family again was very uh, critical. So we choose this model that's only and we have upgraded combining the model LSTM which give more accurate not the perfect, but more accurate than the combination. And so, day by day, stock market when it is increasing, me and my friend also seeing the reels in Instagram. So traders are easily gaining amount in 10, 5 minutes very easily gain the amount. So me and my friend thinking, so create
Okay, fine. So tell me one thing. Okay, fine. So tell me one thing. Why you have chosen IFC and main one? You are using as an evaluation matrix IFC, probability square error, and mean accident error. Why you are not using R square, coefficient of determination? Not here. But what in the evaluation matrix you have used RMC and I mean. So what is the reason and why you have used that?
prediction is very easy because they are taking that kind of for better results. So
what do you think? How much involvement of news in the stock market price trends? Just like on the behalf of knowing technical terms and technical values, how much percentage it have a basis of sentiments of the news and all. So how you can insight? So guys, as I said on the starting of the slides presentation, in the first slide, I have said that social platforms and media are contributing parts in this. Uh, so in the what if I go to the code list? So what it does, we just contribute that whatever person are having and achieving the stock price. This social media platform I very easier platform that to convey the message for all people having using their phones. So fine. So the result is running and so the result. The result empirical. Box. For me, 20 box you have. Yes. Really, what is the 5 day? Yeah. So many prediction. Yeah. Training what is fine. Good prediction. Can you run it at so many price for any particular stock? Yes. Sir. I don't. Yes. So this is the interface where we browse the file, which is data set we have taken the historical ports, and this is data set. Again, predict the stock price. This will predict the price, and here's the result we get. So for which particular stock it is? Historical. Historical. As you can see, the blue, the 90 indicates the actual price, and our again the orange line trading that is predicted price. Our modern prediction this and the actual are merging at the last. We'll go on. I see the go of uh, so we are training model again on this same data set. Oh. Here we see training data set and the data set we taken again filling the price column for training then which specific data we have to train. Again we have selected the column price, volume price using volume for training in the data set. So the model architecture is there. And again training history is there. Go down. Okay, so yeah, good. Thank you. Any question from you guys? So I have a question. If I have a question, and I'll answer again to you as well. So, sir, there is there are two methods that algorithms or models which you can train. We can also train this model by RNN method. But why LSTM? So the discussions we have, yeah, for that actually Ireland have a memory. It's just like Ireland can track only some sort of movie. But LSTM are extended version of Ireland. And also tends to more memory of history. So it will predict more accurately because it's just only LSTM got a found when I have required.